properties are you talking about?
These properties, all of them, both the farm, everywhere.
This is our father's house.
When I built this house, you were still in the womb of time. What properties are you talking about?
Well, uncle, share these properties or I will burn down this house.
Yeah.
Burn my house. Go and look for your father, you bastards, to share his
Uncle, we
properties.
are not bastards. Share these properties.
You want to burn? You want to burn my house?
Uncle, leave us.
You! Were you trying to bite me? Were you trying to bite me?
Leave me up. Uncle, burn down this house. I'll burn this house. No.
You want to burn which house?
Uncle, I'll burn you.
Come on,
I'll burn you.
burn
You don't kill him. Oh, no, you just lie down and sleep.
Uncle? What happened? Uncle? Who killed you? Are you not the one that hit him?
No, are you not the one that carry food?
Did the friend touch him? Stop now, Jackie. I pushed him, Kwa. How can my strength push him?
How can my own strength
touch him? Stop that rubbish. Uncle? Let's check if we have time. Uncle? What is the anti-fellow? Let my people go. What is the anti-fellow? Let my people go. Go down to easy. Anti-fellow. Hello, let my people go. Go down, let my people go. Let my people go. Go down to easy. Anti-fellow. Fellow, let my people go. Don't need to let my people go. Don't need to let my people go. Go down to easy. Fellow, let my people go. But that teacher that flows. Hey, it's true. We would try to do something. Yeah. Let's hide this. Nonsense. You get my floggers. Floggers, you know who will be? I don't know. Because of school fees. School fees are how much? School fees, oh, how much? Even afford.
What have I done to deserve this?
What have you done? What have you done?
You don't know what you have done, Abi.
Nonsense. You not flog us. In fact, if you talk again now, I'll fire you now. I hit your head.
So you both are this dangerous?
Yes. Yes.
When you are flogging us, you don't know that we are dangerous.
In fact,
we are very diabolical.
Avoid us. Shoot again. Go.
Why did you not run?
Nonsense.
Oh, Christmas. No go. Make I share my Christmas. Oh, Banza.
This is scared of you.
You should come again now.
Yeah, let's go.
At least I am meant to go to your.
Yes, I am giving you.
Nonsense.
Let my people go. Let my people go. No da. Egypt.
Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. Check out those troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They know the preacher of love. They like trouble.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
I was actually on my way to your house.
To my house?
Yes, ma.
Hope all is well.
All is not well, oh. It's your children. They stoned me catapult when I was coming back from school this evening.
Hey.
Just because I flogged them in school.
Hey. Auntie Biko, sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Hope they did not wound you.
I was not wounded, but it hurts.
Hi. Sorry, Biko. I will tell their father and their father will caution them. It won't happen again. You know, it won't happen again.
Please, you really need to caution those children. They are causing havoc in school.
Auntie Biko, just be with them, Biko. Oh, sorry. But I will talk to their father. Oh, he will caution them.
Thank you, ma.
Sorry, oh.
Thank you.
Hey, now, these children will not put me in trouble.
God, which kind of human being will give birth to this bunch of troubles and call them children? Eh? One day, one trouble. One day, one trouble. If Afuma were to be alive, she would have told me where she got these children from. I don't understand. If not for civilization, I would have sold them into slavery and used the proceeds to bet in playing draft. Eh? What kind of problem is this? Anyway, they will come and meet me in this house. Hey, come here. Where do you think you are going to? Into my house. They told them fire. This your mouth you used to greet good afternoon. What good thing ever comes from you? Eh?
What happened?
Nothing happened. You don't know what happened. Why did you go and fight your teacher? No, tell me why did you fight your mistress?
Uncle, you are the cause now. You not give us our school fees. So she flogged us and injured us. We have to react. And we have been telling you since, but you paid deaf ears.
May thunder fire this your mouth for you to speak this rubbish. Did you make money for me? Eh? All the school fees have been paying. What is the result? You kept on failing, repeating classes. Now let me tell you. Whatever the outcome is from this beating you beat your mistress, whatever the school decides to do, I wash my hands off it. You will pay with your heads.
Uncle, it's because the teachers, they hate us. That's why they keep failing us. Yes, so we repeat class. And Uncle said,
why would they hate you? Why? Now get out of my sight.
Well, school bags are coming.
Let's talk. Get out. My stone you. I don't fear. Stop. Get out from there.
School bag go for me now.
Look at his face. Anopheles mosquito that has sucked so much blood. Hey, these children, they will not kill me. Oh. They will not kill me.
Maggie, now what did I do when you go give me this car slap now?
Why will you hold me like that?
But I be saying me and you na party now.
What were you thinking? Oh, because I laughed and played with you yesterday. You now saw it as an advantage to misbehave. Respect yourself and don't repeat this again. Do I look like your kind? Don't you know there are lots of sizes of shoes?
So shoe don't they get size for our matabi? Even if shoe go get size for this house, now you be size of my own when I see. Now that guy picking, now one I go meet. You be maid.
Okay.
I be gatekeeper. Now me and you supposed to they match together. You go soft. The can't slap you give me.
You're very stupid. Leave my sight. Leave my sight or I'm going to scream.
Maggie, wait now. Wait.
And you know what will happen.
This way you do no good though. No good. Now this canteen, they hear rape everywhere. Now this canteen they cause some more.
What did you say? I didn't hear you well. What did you say?
Maggie, see You know, make sense say me and you did this compound together. Small palliative will for the share. Nobody go hear them. You go just they deny me. You know, make sense so.
Did you hear the horn at the gate?
I hear them, but we will for solve this thing first now. I love you.
Come on, go and open the gate.
My girl, go open now. We will first solve this thing now. I love you. Even though he slapped me, I don't care. I love you.
Get out from this place. Go and open the gate, my friend. Didn't you hear the sound on the
What
gate?
you concern gate and love where they talk from here now?
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my...
Madam!
Me and you, they will come catch here. See his 2 left legs. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my love. Thank you for
How dare you keep me outside there? Are you stupid? Look at her.
Okay, madam, no offense. I be the purge. Now I don't go to them. I go cook and come
You're a big fool. Were you employed here to come have a running stomach? Are you mad? You always have one silly excuse or the other, all the time. Are you mad? You were employed to come discharge your duties with all diligence. You always give him... In fact, I don't care what happens to you. If you like, bleed to death. Ah! Okay, won't stop you from having Maggie come stand in for you until you're out. This is an organized house. A residential place. In fact, this is not a slum. Don't bring that your slum life into this place. And let it not repeat itself again, because I will skin you to death. I will kill... In fact, I will kill you. Idiot. Get me there honking like a mad woman.
I'm not going to try him again.
Wese, thank you. Wese, kill
Wese. Go! Yeah, man.
You have not seen anything yet. Next time, it will be 2x4. No, or better still, what we call la raclette.
What is the situation this time, Doctor?
Chief, I know you can't stand that. So I just have to give it to you right away. Chief, are you hearing me? You should start making preparations.
Is it as bad as that?
Even worse. Are you hearing me? You are supposed to have died about a month ago.
Dr. Moses, I will tell you that death is afraid of people like me.
Well, that might be so, Chief. But see, it doesn't change the fact that you have less than a month to live.
That's exactly what you told me 2 months ago, but I'm still here.
Chief, even if 2 months after, that is what I will still do. I'll come back on Monday to check on you. That is if you are still alive.
Hey, I will be alive, Dr. Moses. You should be talking about yourself. If you still be alive to come and check me.
Chief, I don't wish you dead. I would prefer you alive, but you can still bet on that.
Please, Dr. Moses, pass me my phone.
Good luck, Chief.
Thank you very much.
Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you make in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know.
Love it?
Yeah, very nice.
There you go. No.
Thank you. Again.
Really? Mimi! Raymond! What's going on here? What are you doing, my kid sister?
What? Your kid sister?
Of course, she is. Besides, you told me you will not be going out today, so what are you doing here?
Yeah,
Cynthia, what is it? What's the problem? Why are you shouting?
Will you shut up, you disgusting boyfriend snatcher? Mimi, why are you like this? Why do you love everything I love? Why do you want to have everything I have? You stupid bitch.
Listen, Sissy, I will not have you call me names in public. Don't try it, Sissy. You're not stupid.
Are Don't try it!
No.
Are you talking to me? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Wait, you know what?
Are you mad?
Let's not do this. Let's not do this.
You don't try this again! Don't try it! Ever in your life, don't try! Cynthia, don't try! Don't try me! You're my elder sister, so respect yourself! Respect yourself! Cynthia, respect yourself! Respect in public! In public! Cynthia! You will kill me! I will kill you! I will kill you! Cynthia!
They not be preacher of love. They like trouble. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them. They not be preacher of love. Which kind children be this? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, they not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Na children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them.
Who's that?
He's coming!
Where's he?
See. Is it not Bono Kung Po's son?
Where is he?
He went to meet me.
But I can't see him now.
Okay, maybe he has gone back.
Oh, nobody's chasing you.
Hey.
Yes.
Thanks. Dikeh, Nosa, go. Mama, Dikeh. Tata 2000. I was touching to that one, but I didn't get to bring it. But anyway, now we morning. What's this? I ain't gonna get this change. You want to change?
For phone calls right now. Leave me alone.
Ma, it's Inspector Yemi that is calling.
When I call you, answer.
Hello? Hello, Yemi? My daughters? Where?
At the restaurant, bro. I have never been in such a mess in my life. I already told Cynthia that I wasn't going out today. How could I have known these two were sisters? None of them ever mentioned it to me.
Listen, man. All hope is not lost. I still believe we can work out something. Trust me.
How?
We have brains, and God created the brains for us to think. Okay? Considering the fact that she's a billionaire's daughter, you know all what we stand to gain in this. So giving up right now is not an option.
I need a drink, bro. I need to ease off.
Oh, I have no problem with that, provided we strategize and plan ahead.
Leave my man alone for me. Mimi, I am talking to you. Leave my man here. You have no shame. You have no shame. You have no shame. You cannot shame the shameless. Leave my man alone. He loves me. I will not. Leave my man alone. Leave him alone. This guy don't love you. Stop it. I said stop it. What is going on? This small girl. I will marry before you. What is wrong with you two? Hey! Has it gotten to this extent? From me, Cynthia, I said shut up! Fight
fighting before even the security man? People hearing your voices in this house? Embarrassing this family at this point in our lives? You fighting over a boy? Who is this boy? Who is his father? Mom, I said shut up! I said just stop. Stop! What is wrong with you two? No, what kind of shame are you bringing to our family at this point? Your father is there battling with his life and needs all the care and love he can get from us. And here you are fighting over a boy. Oh, this is a shame! This is disgusting! What is this? Graduates of Harvard? What kind of character are you exhibiting for people to see? Are we known like this? Are we known for this? I don't blame you too. It's because your father provides you with everything you need. Because your mates out there cannot even see half of the comfort you see. Can you just leave me and go to your rooms? Mommy, I said shut!
Maggie, why you be say Madam Cynthia? Now quarrel be her food day and night, and she know that allow that younger one may breathe at any small thing. Bam, wham, wham. Go dey shout like a dog wey born one. Upon as her back big, now so her wahala big.
Stop being silly. Anyway, I believe Mimi must have taken enough from her and she couldn't stand it anymore. So she had to stand her ground and face her back.
Yes, now. Even go to get where they go beat and reach for wall like they go change her for who they beat them. Maybe she stand for her ground. I beg, the thing don't do too much. She thinks say all her power this thing saifwa.
Oui, regarder les grosses fesses des femmes, c'est tout ce que tu sais faire. Idiot.
Nami, they talk to Abi, girl who they talk to?
I'm talking to myself. You, one day this your mouth, this your lousy mouth will land you into trouble.
See, all these things where they happen here, you not supposed to concern me and you. Just day your lane for this house, make me day my lane. Now employ, they employ me. All these things, you know, concern me. If you like, they speak whatever you like, you know, concern me.
Well done,
if they don't start fight, just go speak that language for them.
You spoke well now. Right now, you just said what you're supposed to say. Mind your business. You're the one who is not minding your business here.
I blame you. Because say I get time constant they discuss with you. I supposed to talk with my fellow men. I can't they gossip with woman. I beg it. Quarrel volume 2. Did you hear that voice? Cynthia's voice high past this time. Let me go and witness.
Ewu Gambia, see this one. Don't mind your business. I'm a boy.
I know say na you go be. Maggie, why you be say every time you go the waka goes to waka? You go the waka goes to waka. See why you make my heart fly go now. Small thing for don't cross border.
Just look at you. Claiming to be a man. Man my foot.
Where you come concern man for this matter? Okay, man a man. A man can always be man. Try me for bed. If I no bend this your waist, knock you twins, or even make and three. Ever, knock you twins, or even knock you three.
Shut up. That is all you know how to do. This.
I make that they call a manpower now. I make that they call a manpower. But wait to Maggie. This life no get head at all. Life no balance. How them oga pikin them go dey this big house? They fight because of a man. Wey be say somebody like me wey dey this house for them since they no even send me. You wey I say man try manage, you dey buga, they carry shoulder for me. Look at you.
Mind your business. Yes, Mind your business, and that is your business. At the gate. Stay here before Madam will come and meet you. Rubbish.
As who employ me now, I blame you. They eat free food, they robust. But now wow, Ojebe. Now like this, my destiny will just they grow. See me, I don't the old do. I did this house, fine boy like me, no pimple. God bless me, please. Give me heavy of ekwe. He give me heavy of ekwe. That year when I did Bini, no girl where I knock when they call me chairman. Now they go they fight for this house because of a man. Because they never try me. May they know say I be small body but big engine. Heavy duty. But then they hear me now. Oh no, this is my mouth.
Can you imagine what my younger sister did? Dragging my own boyfriend with me.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I'm serious. Yes. I almost strangled her today. Yes, I almost strangled her. I saw her with my man. It's not small something, no. And then we go back to the house again. She started making trouble. But I told her to stay away from my path. I told her. Because the next time she tries that, I will kill her with my own hands.
You do no such thing. But do you really need to go that far? Causing a scene in public. It doesn't really suit your personality. For God's sake, this girl in question is your younger sister, your kid sister.
She is
Why
my
not
kid
talk to her?
sister. She is my kid sister, like you said. That is the reason she has to stay away from my path. I mean, she stole my man away from me. Like it's not going to happen now. It's not going to happen. She should go and look for her own man. Raymond is my man.
Why not talk to your man instead?
Well, he's a man. My sister was the one that was just all over him. Can you imagine? She should go and look for her own man and leave my Raymond for me.
So you want to strangle your sister because of a man? You want to kill your sister because of a man?
I have told her to stay away from me in this house, outside this house. The next time she tries it, I will make sure I kill her with my own hands. Just get ready for a funeral.
You will do no such thing. Just try and talk to your sister. You want to kill your sister because of a man?
Yes! She should stay away from me, oh. She should stay away from me.
Imagine what
it's
you're
not
saying.
easy to get a man. So this one that I have, I will not allow Mimi or anybody to steal him away from me. It's not easy.
You want to kill your sister because of Raymond?
Are you on my side or are you... I don't understand.
I'm definitely with you, but that doesn't... What you're saying now doesn't really make sense.
Please.
Going
Olivia.
around beating your sister.
Olivia,
in public.
if you're not with me, then you have to leave my house.
What's up, bro? What's up?
They are now taking their calls. I didn't bargain for all of this. This is not just the way I planned this.
Relax, bro. It's just today. Maybe they have other things they are sorting at home.
What if they are still fighting? This is going to make their mom hate me so much. Mimi is just the one I love. She's just the one I want. Cynthia was just because of the visa thing and I just had to play along. I'm not a gold digger, bro. I didn't bargain for all of this.
Relax, Raymond. No one called you a gold digger. Maybe you're just having a white thought. It's normal. But just relax. I told you, one step at a time. We'll sort it out.
Baby, I'm okay. I'm fine. Let me come out so you see me well. I'm fine, my love. I'm okay. I miss you too. So how's work? Man, I'm just here, oh my love. I'm just here missing you like crazy. Like I can't wait to hold you, I can't wait to kiss. Look at you. Oh, you're so crazy. What a man. Okay. You know me now, sexy as always. All for you. No, I'm not going out. I'm just here. Yeah. Maybe stop now. Look at you. Go away, Joe. So, what's up? Yeah, there's this village guy disturbing me, following me all over. Everywhere. You don't trust me again. He's not my spec. Oh my god! I swear. He's so ugly. Ew. Oh. Very ugly. Ugly guy. Yes. You know now, you're my spec 100%. You're so cute. You're so sweet. You're so loving. Oh, I miss you so much, my love, honestly. Yeah. Really. Okay. I can't wait to see you.
Uncle, please, now.
You're running! You're running, yeah? You're running!
Take it easy on them.
It's alright.
You will follow.
Just remain where you are. Remain where you are, because if you come back here, you will see. Leave their house.
They're just devils. Leave them.
Leave their house. Even that you had the agreement with them. We wouldn't have known that they intentionally did that yesterday. It's just.
Now you will follow. Don't mind them. Baba.
Hey, it's secret. Later yesterday, I was shaking.
We are sorry. I'm big now.
It's just. You don't mind it. You are a woman. You think it's the kind of capacity you have, I have it. You can hold yourself. I cannot hold myself.
Let me go and rub your way.
You know why he's treating us like this? Because our mother is no more. That's why he's treating us like that.
Even that is wife, I'm thinking that she's good. Now, Uncle has the friends that with that is bad character.
Yeah, I don't know. Ruth, I'm hungry. What will we do?
So I'm hungry.
I don't know what we'll do.
Let's go and find where we'll find something to eat.
Maybe.
At least
I have no money.
We'll plan one or two now. You know we want things. Now we want things now. I want biscuits. That biscuit that used to be circle. Is inside. Hey, Jack. What is this? What is that thing? My snake! Snake! Snake!
They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. No buy their matter at all. No try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, yeah, be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no dey fear at all.
Where did you get all this from?
Is this your business? Oh, because you and your husband are supposed to give us food. You think we will die? We will not die. Tell her! We will not die.
We will live to testify the goodness of the Lord in our life.
Amen, Lord. Amen.
Stop your mouth, Eba. See, I hope you did not steal this thing, because if you do and you are caught, I and my husband will not be involved.
Look at that see you. We'll shame you in this house. We'll weigh you. Wicked up one is wicked wife. Chop your food, chop your food, chop your personal food.
You are awake already. How are you?
As you can see, I am not dead. I am still a strong man. I've told you all that death is afraid of people like me.
My love, we cannot run away from the obvious. It's a reality that is always hitting us on the face.
Let it not worry you so much. I have a 2 beautiful daughter and
what?
an enormous empire. My children and you. Anyway, let me inform you. Barrister Charles will be coming to the office today with some documents. So I will want you to assist him in any way he may need your assistance, please.
Sure, I will.
So you may leave now, so that you not miss the schedule.
No problem. Just be strong, okay?
All right.
I'll soon be back.
All right. I'm
Take
waiting
care.
for you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Na children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you reject. Now what they go they like to do.
Am I too small for you not to see me and greet me in this village? Eh? Did you know that I am your elder? Eh?
Which elder? Should I see person? No, no say anybody. No say anybody. Which elder? See, I don't want me to disrespect my door. I don't want to disrespect anybody. So leave me. I've come.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you because your mates are in the school busy reading their books. But you are here gallivanting around. Look at you.
Alright, shut up. Are you not supposed to be married by now? Because you know, you are walking around Nagari. You see? Which girl we even agree to marry you? Go on, jam.
What do you know like they go they do to you? If you like you vex, if you like you reject. Now what in their mind they go they like to do? Which kind children be this yo? They can learn so troublesome children. Wahala day for the side door.
Can you just stop? Just stop it. I love you too. I want to hear it again. Tell me you love me. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I love you too, baby. I love you. Stop it. Okay. When would that be? Tomorrow. I don't know how my tomorrow will be, though. But I'll call you. Okay, I don't know how my tomorrow will be, but I'll call you. Okay, love. Can you please stop? You're making me shy. Yes.
You're making me shy. Just stop it.
Happiness, everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think be careful today. Think about
Jack. Why are you crying? What happened?
Uncle Achebe is a very wicked man. He don't used to give us food at all. If you take food by ourselves, you punish us.
Food? If you take food, he will punish you people.
Yes.
What of your sister?
Me, Rose. Yeah, she's having punishment because she took food for us.
Because of food?
Yes.
Now, what do you want me to give you now?
If you can give me money for food, I will appreciate it. Don't give me food though. Give me money for food.
Let me go and buy food for you. For this.
No, don't worry. I'm a very nice man. So I'm a very nice boy. You can give me money.
If I give you money now, you'll be okay.
Yes. Is that all?
This is 1,000 naira.
I'm going to go to first.
You are fine now, ba?
Yeah.
Stop crying, stop crying. Just try. It's okay. Now get up. Go and look for something to buy. After that, go home. Stop crying. You understand?
Thank you.
Don't cry. Stop crying. I'll be going.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, no, that's
Ele go fez disse com uma. Os que tá ali todo, na quartinho de manhã, quartinho. Nonsense. Nonsense. Ele liguei 1,000 naira. Ele liguei na. Ele go comer nada change. Ele me change. Os que tá ali com eu nada change. Mas é change.
Wahala dey for the side door. The one take a loss. Troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side door. They know they like peace, yo. They know be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They know be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They know be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, ya be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side door. The one Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side.
What's that? Hey, come here. What have you done again? So what is it? Hey! I've got it. A big fat rat. You see? You see yourself? Good. William, I caught him. That have been stealing my money. I have caught this one, a very big fat rat. You see yourself? So you've been in that. You are not just mosquitoes. You are rats. Look at this one. A big fat rat. This your finger, eh? We will take you to the hospital. We will cut it off.
Holy Ghost fire!
Hey, Holy Ghost fire! Yeah. You know Holy Ghost fire.
Why will you steal now? Naibiko, leave him.
How can you ask that question? A thief is a thief. Many days are for the thief, 1 day is for the owner. Good.
Wait.
Pull it! So that we cut it. No. You see?
Family needs to be together in unity and harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear.
Sir, your coffee is ready. Sir, I said your coffee is ready. Sir? Sir? Sir, your coffee is ready. Sir? Sir? Oga? Oga?
This is painful. Oh yes, I know. This may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil things for you. Can spoil things for you.
Give me the keys. Give me the keys. Auntie, it's not fair. So, Madam Mimi, say my daddy Dikeh won't use and go somewhere.
Please, Mimi. Come on, give me the key, idiot. Give me the key.
Idiot. I appreciate it.
Give me that nonsense. Next time, try this nonsense again. I will beat sleeping daylight out of you. Nonsense. Go.
Thank you.
Utter and finish off someone's face.
Oh.
What else do you know how to do than to bully people and take what's not yours? He just told you that I am going to use this car. Why are you making troubles? Why?
Are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you.
Look at this small girl. Listen, you are my kid's sister.
Ew.
I'm only tolerating you because of our parents. And most especially because of mom, because I don't want to hurt her. Mimi, stay away from my affairs.
I should be the one telling you that. Cynthia, you have no shame. What is wrong with you? Why are you going after a man that does not love you? Cynthia, have some shame. Have some shame, Cynthia. Really? Please, I beg you. Just let me be. Avoid me. I want to make use of this car. That's why I asked him to clean it up. Please, Cynthia, avoid me this afternoon.
Come on, shut up! I said shut it! Okay, have the keys. Nonsense. Because I'm keeping quiet in this house, right? Listen, stay away from my affairs. Stay away!
Ma.
What is it?
Madam Mimi, your father is not reacting. What do you mean? I went to serve him his coffee and he's not waking up.
What do you mean my father is not reacting?
I don't know. Your father.
My dad?
Yes.
Wait,
it's
not possible. Daddy.
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 Daddy. Daddy, stand up. I don't understand. Daddy. Eh? What? Is it what? Eh? Daddy! Daddy! What? Daddy. Daddy, wake up! Wait, he's not breathing! He's not breathing! Daddy! No, it's not possible, Daddy! Daddy!
Hello? Hello? Barrister Charles on the line. Oh my God. So sorry about that.
Hello. Cinti, baby. How are you? What? It's a lie. Oh my goodness. Sweetheart, you know what? I have food on the fire. Once I'm done cooking, I will come straight to your house. Please, you need to calm down, okay? I'm so sorry. Alright, I'll see you very soon. Oh God. No. Cynthia.
Food is ready, so come to the kitchen and carry your food.
Oh, which kind of food is ready? Which kind of food is ready? I don't know hungry. After what you happen for this house, is still they tell me food. I'm not hungry, I beg.
Including you?
Including me, what do I do now? Including me, what do I do?
Madam just refused to eat.
So madam, you go chop food, this shit and come out. You can't even make it touch my mouth. You don't get sense. Come out. You don't get sense.
Please, I'm not in for all this. When you're ready to eat, come to the kitchen.
Oh God, why?
Where do I go from here? Where do I start from? Chief, why now? Barrister, Chief has left us.
Madam, take heart, okay? Mimi, my condolences. Cynthia, take heart, okay? Take heart.
They must be going through a lot right now. I can't even be there to console my girl. Too bad.
Raymond, one step at a time. Like I told you, everything will fall into place. I mean, you should be happy at this point that the father is no longer alive. I mean, we're getting closer to the main deal.
What is wrong with you, Jamal? Don't you have conscience? They just lost their father and all you could think of is money, money, money.
Oh, come on! We are in this racket for money and not for love. And this is freaking why I introduced you to Mimi. But instead you fell in love with Cynthia because of your visa. Fine and good. I don't have a problem with that. Alright? Alright, but we need to stick to the plan. You don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I need that money.
I fell in love in the process. Can't you get it? We can still get this money without hurting anyone.
Lover boy, don't make me get people involved in this. We need to strategize. New things and new ideas will unfold. Don't fuck with me.
I hate you, Jamal. So fucking hate you.
Why will God allow this to happen to good people? To a good person like Oga?
You ask me who I go ask. Who I go ask.
He promised me that I was going to go back to school. He said he was going to help my family. Why now?
Minka, tell me about my salary now. You can't tell me. I'm not sure.
Okay, why did you go so soon? Why did you have to die so soon? He was a good man. He used to help the poor, the orphans, even the widows.
That wicked, Sha. That wicked. You know if you start being a fun person before you go come. If now what did they use power do? I go come in now. I gotta go fight with that. I gotta go show.
I just hope they are not going to sack us.
Makisio, if you know what you know they do well for this house before, but begin to do it well. Look at me. I got to man my mouth and my leg now. I'm not going to work anyhow.
God, Chief, why? Oga, why? Why so soon?
Oh God, Cynthia, stop crying, please. Please, you have to stop crying. My darling, sorry. Please, you need to be strong. You need to be strong for the sake of your mom and your kids, sis. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. You want to make me cry. Stop. Stop crying. Cynthia. Cynthia, will you stop? God. Stop crying. Stop. Stop crying, please. Please, my love, you need to stop crying. Stop crying. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel your pain. Stop crying, please, my darling. Please, you need to be strong. You need to be strong.
Demo, I want to know if I can set the dining.
Go ahead, but I'm not hungry.
Sorry, ma. Even though it's just a little to help you sustain this. Please.
Just go. I'm fine. People should go ahead and eat.
Cynthia, I don't know why I'm having this feeling. I'm just not comfortable with this decision you're about to make. Why would you want to get a visa for a man who is not even your husband? A man that you're not even sure of? Who does that?
He's my boyfriend. He's my man. I've known him for a long time. It's not like he's someone that I just met.
Yeah, I know that he is your man. But getting him a visa is very wrong. Trust me. Girl, after all our years in the university, you want to make this kind of mistake? Girl, this is 21st century. Open your eyes. How can you get a visa for a single man, a man that is not even your husband? A single girl getting a visa for a single man?
He's my man. The deed has been done already. I've gotten the visa for him, so what else do you want me to do?
It's a lie. It's a lie.
You know how these things are now. You have a boyfriend, you should understand.
Yes, I know I have a boyfriend, but I can't do such. So you've already gotten the visa for him?
Yes.
Cynthia, I just hope you're doing the right thing. Because honestly, I'm not comfortable with this. I am not.
Out loud. You're spoiling them. It's too much.
Come on, sweetheart. They're my children. Huh? And ought to enjoy my wealth. Okay, what is the essence of making so much money if I cannot take care of my kids and give them the best?
It's not pumping them with money is the best. That is not the best. Give them what they need. Don't spoil them with money. How about tomorrow you don't have this money to give them? What happens? Come on.
Sweetheart, I am not complaining, please. Yes.
Dad and Mom are gossiping us.
It's alright. It's okay. They're going gossip.
And then gossip.
Gossiping my children.
Tell us what you two were gossiping about.
Yes, we would like to hear it.
Funny you gossiping, you my children.
Yes.
I'm only discussing with my sweet wife.
Daddy?
Yeah.
We got 1.5 million each. Daddy, we never asked for money.
Yes.
Must you ask me for money before I give it to you?
No.
You know you girls have made me proud. So I give you whatever you want.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
In fact, Daddy, you are the best in the whole wide world.
We love you.
So much, Daddy. Thank you.
Because I did not give money. Maybe probably I'm the worst mom.
Mommy, you're the best mommy in the
Happiness. Everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity and harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you make in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, this may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil today, think about tomorrow. Your love, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love, my dear. Happiness, everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity and harmony. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Your love, my dear. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today, think about tomorrow.
I'm sorry. I
understand.
No, you don't. I was supposed to be there for you. I was supposed to console you. I was supposed to encourage you and not to stay away from you.
I know you couldn't come because of my sister. And my mom, she wouldn't want to see you. Because you're the reason we fought. Since you told me that there is nothing going on between you and my sister, I don't want this relationship to stop. I believe all you told me. I believe you. And you know I can do anything to make you happy. You know I can do that.
I love you.
I love you too. So much.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Mimi. We are not supposed to fight over a man. It's supposed to be the other way around. Listen, I was just being stupid and foolish for letting a man to come in between us, despite Daddy's warnings. Mommy is so worried about us. We need to bond as sisters. Yet we keep long faces.
Cynthia, it wasn't entirely my fault. I tried to...
I know. It's all my fault. I didn't give us chance to talk about it. I'm so sorry. I went into your phone and I saw your conversations with him. I saw everything. He wants you. He loves you more. The things he said to me are quite different from what he said to you. You know, the whole thing is clear to me that I'm the one forcing myself on him.
Come on, Raymond, say it to me. Say it face to face. Tell me that you actually meant what you said over the phone to me. Come on, say it!
Look, Cynthia, you're a very nice person, all right? And it's just that It's just that, well...
It's just that. It was all about the visa procurement, right? No, say it!
Look, Cynthia, the truth is, I never wanted to be in a relationship with you. It is Mimi that I really love. But along the line, when we met, concerning the visa thing, it was just all about the visa. I couldn't tell you. I was waiting for the right time to open up to you before this whole thing came out like this. I never meant it to happen this way. But I appreciate the time we spent together. You're a nice person, like I said, but...
I had known it. I knew it that you never loved me. But I was crazy because I thought I was in love with you. I see. That is why you always complain. You're not available for me. You don't even have my time. You know what? I wish you well with her. Oh, don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. Don't!
He still loves you. I want you two to be. Mimi, I want us to rekindle the love we shared as sisters. I miss you. Mom needs us now more than ever.
It's okay, my dear sister. Seriously, I missed you so much. I miss us.
Good. Yes, I think it is time for me to bring back my children. I'm a former. I want to reunite them, even if it's the last thing I do before I am gone. Yeah. Exactly. So I really want you to do something very fast. Go in search of them and bring them back to the house. Whatever it will cost me, I am ready to pay for my wrongs. I will pay anything, anything. I want them to be around so that I can write my wills. Please get into action immediately. Whatever it will cost me, I will do it. Yeah. Please, help me. All right. Bye for now.
Show you Pepe. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? Try them, they go show you Pepe. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. No try them, they go show you Pepe.
Are you sure Uncle Achebe will not chase us out because of what we did?
Chase us for what? He will not do anything. He will just be shouting. Okay, how many times has he even threatened to chase us out of the house? Has he chased us? He will not chase us.
I don't know because I'm scared. If he chases us now, I don't know where we will go.
Scared of what? You don't need to sound like that now. Don't talk like that. Okay, see. We have been staying at home. We are not going to school because he said he don't have money to pay our school fees. But he has money to be spending on drinks and his wife. Is it good?
Rose, you are right. Yes, you are right. In fact, we will be doing more to him so you understand that wickedness is not good. so now you talk like man beat. It's woman voice. So wait, it sounds like Okaka's voice. Let's run.
Who's there? You will leave my house today. We'll leave it today. Hey, take your rags and leave the house.
Uncle, please now.
Leave it.
Uncle, please now. We will not do it again.
My husband, don't pick on me. What is it? You say this once. They must leave my house. Go and meet your father. The spirit of my late sister will understand that I've done my best.
You've done your best. But the villagers, what would they say?
They can say anything for all I care. They can say anything. Look, it's motherless baby's home that you deserve. Go there.
Please, we will not do it again. Please.
You are still there?
Yes, we do.
You don't want to go?
Yes, sir.
Right. Wait for me.
Thank you, sir.
Hey! Why are you running? Come! Take it! Idiot! Take! Why are you running? If you come near my house again, I will cut you into pieces and feed your flesh to the dogs! Idiots! Don't become me!
Uncle, before Dad. Uncle. Thank you, sir.
Wait, leave me, Maggie, leave me.
So you had the guts, you had the effrontery to come and pick me, Abi?
Which time I take pipi? You get eye for back. How even take Nosa pipi?
So you think I saw you?
I saw you. You know say person the pipi, you know fit turn. No be only back you turn they give me for window. You know only wicked, you stingy.
How dare you? So you finally got what you wanted, eh? You are very stupid. Useless boy.
Stop now. That's nothing when I see I do. Nobody see I see him.
Stupid thing.
You just get luck, Sha. I know it's a big woman. But next time you see what I do you, I will use my vehicle, flog you. I will give you where. God no go help me punish you. I will use this one punish you. Nonsense girl. And so you go find there, you know, allow person touch you even if not once.
Achebe, please. Solve this. These are your late sister's children. Your own blood. For goodness sake, they are like your own children too. Okay, if you chase them away now, where do you expect them to go?
Do I look like I care? No. Do you think I care? They can go to anywhere. Yes, anywhere you want them to go, let them go. And point of correction, don't ever refer to them again as my blood or children. I can never give birth to these useless mosquitoes. Look at the way they are looking at me. You see? See that one? Don't try it again. They are not my children. Listen to what? No, listen to what? Are you not in this village? Have you not been hearing or seeing what they've been doing to me? Have you not? Do you even know the latest? Do you know what they did to my wife and I today? Do you know? Even I know you very well. If you were to be in my shoes, you would have killed them by now. Now you are here, posing holier than thou attitude to me. Don't try it.
Uncle, we are sorry. It was a mistake. We have changed. I prefer
May mistake and sorry kill both of you. Idiots. Tata.
Temper justice will miss. Because they're apologizing already. They will change.
We have changed already.
You see that? You see? You see? They have changed.
You're still talking. And you are still here. You are still talking. Wait for me.
Achebe.
I trust my husband. I know what he can do.
But Amaka, you should have.
The last time he said something like this.
No, you're running. Come here. Idiot. Go to motherless baby's home. If you come close to my house again, you see what I do to you. And you are still here.
I told you about Wanga.
If you come to my compound again because of this little rats, you will see what I'll do to you.
Nah, it's okay.
I know if you are.
Nah, it's okay.
I told you not to beg me about this. Now go inside. Go!
Rose, I told you should not do this shit. I want to have female. Now you have seen where it landed us. Where do you want us to go? We are homeless.
Stop, Jack. Stop behaving like a woman. Be a man. We'll see a way.
Which kind of way? Me, I'm hungry and tired.
Me too, I'm hungry and tired. But why would I complain when you're already behaving like a woman? Let's just see. God is the father of the fatherless, mother of the motherless. So we'll see. He'll make
where is that God now?
Stop complaining now. Stop complaining.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
What is Are you a goat?
So you don't know that I'm tired there and even hungry.
But you keep complaining now.
Maybe if I go away, I go my own way.
Come back here. Stop being crazy. Come here now. Stop being stupid.
I want to go my own way. Leave me.
Go my your way. So I should leave you. Come back here. Because
leave me.
Come back here.
Leave me now. I go my own way.
Jesus.
Sorry, Mr. Charles. The traffic here is something else.
Everything you need is in there, including the pictures. Find them, wherever they are. There's no time. Those kids are keys to my client. He's dying and he needs them to return back to him with the mothers. We're going to pay you anything you want. Make sure you find them as soon as possible.
I'll do my best, sir.
You get the balance as soon as the job is done.
I'll try my best, sir.
Okay, if you walk straight, just walk straight now. You go by your right. Yes, your right. You will see one big mansion. By the back of it, at the back of the mansion. You will see.
Okay, if I walk straight now.
Yes.
Is it the first street or the second street?
The first street by your right. The first street by your right, like this. It's good.
I'm looking for one lady. Has not the average height. She's beautiful. Not
What's her name?
Afoma. Afoma is her name.
Oh, Afoma. Yeah. She's our new tenant. That's her apartment over there, but it seems like she's not around. She was going to market.
Okay. So what time is she coming back?
She comes out between 5-6.
Okay. Okay, then I'll get back again, okay?
All right, okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah? I'm grateful.
Right, thanks.
Hello, barrister. Yeah, I have some information for you. Okay, where? Okay, no problem. Then see you tomorrow then. Okay.
What is the problem now? This guy is keeping me waiting. What's the problem? What's up, Dunga?
I'm cool. Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
So?
Yeah, I found out where they stay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they stay at Okunzuwa village, far away in the east.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and also discovered their mom is late. She died of heart attack. Yeah, the kids now stay with their mom, elder brother in the village there.
Oh, okay. Oh no, her former. What a pity. Anyway, I will relate with my client and we'll see how we can go and locate them.
Okay.
It's alright. Thank you and
Thank
nice
you
job,
very much.
Dunga.
You're welcome, bro.
Nice job.
Thank you.
It's alright, I will get back to you.
Okay.
It's alright.
You called me.
Yes, Afoma, I did. Go to the kitchen and the store. Go check for the things we need in the house so that you make a list and quickly go to the market to get them.
Yes, ma'am.
What is wrong with you? You've been sleeping here and there since morning. What is it?
Ma, I have a slight fever. I've gotten some drugs. I'll be fine in no time.
You've gotten some drugs and you have fever. Who told you it's fever? I am not an advocate of self-medication. I would advise you go to the hospital if you persist so that you see the doctor.
Yes.
But I know she'll be fine. You know, that could be stress. You know, her former does not rest. She likes walking. So, seeing the doctor will be the best option.
I just hope so. I don't like someone taking medication without doctor's prescription.
What are you saying?
I'm pregnant.
What? Wait, you mean you did not take what I asked you to take that day? God!
Madam is already suspecting me. In no distant time, she's going to find out. And you know I cannot hide this forever.
You know what? You will abort it.
Ha! You want me to die?
Nothing will happen to you. Wait, what will you have me do? For another woman to have a child for me? No. You know I'm already married with 2 beautiful daughters. Do you want to rape my marriage? Huh? Okay, see, I will take care of it. I will handle it. I will take you to a professional, not quack doctors.
I'm scared. I don't want to die.
I said, forget about death. You will not die. You know what? Make sure Madame did not know about this, nor even hear it. I will send you some good money as soon as we go inside.
I don't want to die.
You will not die. I will handle it. You will not. Stop talking about that. You will not die.
What? Barrister, what are you talking about? My own husband, my beloved husband, has a child with my maid, Afoma. Hey! Wait. No, how come he never told me? Just what are you talking about? How can Chief do this to us? I mean to the children? Hey!
He was going to do that before his death.
Huh? He was going to do that before his death. And he never did. Honestly, I'm so disappointed. We are mourning his beloved memory. And here you're coming up with this? Okay, what does he want us to do now? He never told us. No, he had the effrontery, the nerves to go into my maid. Wait, was that why Afoma left the way she did? Because this, I believe this happened a long time ago.
Yeah. With what Chief, your husband, told me, he never planned it that way, that it happened. Though he realized his mistakes and he apologized and...
Well, I apologize to you.
He never planned it that way, madam. He was doing that and trying to maintain his family and also to protect his good name. Yes, not until his time moment. He still loves you all.
He loved us, yet he went in to my maid.
You still reject him. I will take care of you. Wait, do you want to remain a maid all the days of your life? Or you don't have a dream of going back to school? Huh?
Sir, please. I can't do this to Madam. This is unfair.
My wife and my kids are out. And they will be back in 2 days' time. Are you going to tell her? Or you are going to blow whistle? Are you going to tell everybody? Eh? Calm down, I will take care of you. I will do whatever you want me to do for you. Huh? Why are you doing like a child? Anyway, I will be gentle with you. I will not hurt you. I will make sure you are okay. I will take good care of you. Huh? This is Chief talking.
Family needs to be together. Huh? In unity and harmony. Think love. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you make in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, this may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil things for you. Can spoil things for you. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear.
You.
Honey?
Sweetheart.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The gate man said Afoma left with her bag. And ever since I've been calling her, her line is not connecting. I don't know. Did you have any whatever with her?
Wait, she did not tell gate man where she was going to.
No, according to the gate man, she didn't.
If she has an emergency anywhere, she would have at least dropped a message.
But this one she left with her bag, I don't know.
Well, let us see if she will pick tonight or even return the calls or probably come back to the house.
Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, and let me get you something to eat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Chief.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Barrister Charles. Any good news?
Chief, I've seen where she stay in the slum somewhere in the city.
In the slum?
And the land she have set of twins, a boy and a girl.
Oh my God. So I would have aborted the twins and my son inclusive? Oh, I'm sorry. I think I would like to see her. Even if she does not wish to see me. At least let me take care of the children and better her life as well.
No problem, go then.
One more thing. I will not want anybody, I mean anybody, to know about this.
Chief, your secret is safe with me.
Good. So we have to go there.
Alright, let's go.
When you don't expect it, sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil things for you, can spoil things for you. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow.
How did she know we were coming? Or do you think someone must have told her?
I doubt. Maybe she suspected or a coincidence, I don't know.
It is just the two of us that know about this.
I am as confused as you are, Chief. Eh? You know, Afoma is a smart girl. She might have suspected or... Chief, see, I learned she has been moving from here and there. Ever since she was pregnant. Even till now.
So what's next?
Chief, we found her before, we found her again.
All right.
This girl, she's so smart.
Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you make in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions.
Chief couldn't find her after several attempts of reaching her. And he became ill along the line. Not until now he wanted him back at all means. I was trying to just obey a client because that's part of the oath of allegiance I took as a lawyer, to keep to their secret and his wish.
I know it is very wrong to talk ill of the dead. But honestly speaking, with all this, she failed me. As a husband, as a father to my children, he failed me.
I guess he was looking for a better time.
I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. What stupid better time? Please, apart from this children matter, are there other things I need to know?
No, not at all.
Please. I'll be upstairs. When you're done, you can leave.
I'm already doing my job.
Jack, what is it? Jack, now what is wrong with you? Are you not happy that we'll find at least somewhere that we can put our head? Is this place that bad?
Very bad. Me, I cannot manage jail. I'm leaving.
Leaving to where? Where do you know you are leaving to? Leaving to where? You want Okunzuwa to shoot somebody?
It mustn't be his house.
Then where?
I'll go to the city.
Do you have any money with you? What is wrong with you? Do you know anybody in the city? Eh? I don't know why you are doing like this. I don't know. Stop thinking like this now.
I know. Okunzuwa is a bad person. But
what? Jack, stop this thing you are doing. Let me tell you, Okunzuwa deserves everything that we have done to him. Every single thing. He's very wicked. Okay, see. We are supposed to be in school, but we are not in school. Why? Because of Okunzuwa. Why? Every other person is in school, but see where we are. Doing what? He's wicked. Hey. What is it again?
Today, and you will remain here until I think and say otherwise. Okay? You are the ringleader. You are the ringleader. Is the ringleader. Okay. You are the ring follower. You will remain like this. This Zigga. You will remain like this? No food! Idiots! Mosquitoes! Wait, I'm my ears every time! Wait.
I'm regretting all this. You don't have to regret anything now. Stop regretting all these things. I have plan. Shut up! What kind of plan do you have? Is it not your plan that landed us here? You should call me have plan again. Don't even bring out that your plan. Shut up. Mature again. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay now, let me think. Don't even think that, you know. Did you even sleep last night? I don't know to wish mosquitoes. We were killing mosquitoes. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with this place. So I have to like pressing backward. Jesus! What is that? Big shit! This is a huge shit! Like in Shibalawa. I can see. Kind of thing. This thing that I've been smelling here now.
Don't move. I won't hurt you.
Alright. Thanks for coming,
Uncle Lawyer, let's be going now. No time to waste time.
I'm coming.
I've been doing fast now. I don't know what you are discussing with that Uncle Achebe.
Would you shut up there? Look at his face like an overfed mosquito. Idiot. Barrister. So, like you promised, try to get in touch.
I will. I really appreciate and for your cooperation and everything. Thank you so much.
What is wrong with this?
I'll get back to you people as soon as possible.
It's alright. Safe journey.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
It's alright.
Alright, enter the car.
I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, you know they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala day for the side door.
Hey! Wonder shall never end. So the man is rich and has been looking for his children. Mananai. Why will your sister deny the man of seeing his children?
My wife, the circumstances surrounding this whole thing, if I want to tell you the story, it's a very long one. Okay? God. I wish their mother is alive to see this thing. Anyway, to God be the glory. Come and give me food. Let me celebrate this.
Hey!
This girl, Chioma, no be the same phone where you bring come here help you charge. You never too take. Now you don't switch off. They use my heart, they play draft, Chioma. Only God go help me and you. Only God go help me and you.
Don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, oh? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, oh. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Na children be this, yeah, be. Na adults them be. I tire for them, oh, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like.
Where is this?
Your father's house.
Alive. So our father has this kind of house and we are suffering in the village.
Exactly. Henceforth, this is your new home.
Where are your children?
Madam,
Who are these people?
just relax. Let's go inside. We'll discuss better.
Inside where? Who are these things? Who are going inside?
Please, madam. Get hello. Hello, please get the things from the goods.
I don't understand. Who is the boss here?
Who are you? Who
Who is this? Who
Go outside, go outside.
No, man, who are you now?
Chief Security Officer of this area.
Who is who?
Who
Who are you?
To my father's house.
Madam,
I like you.
Go outside.
Yeah, man. Give me
Go and enter my house. Let's go inside.
Give me a
Go and enter my house.
Cynthia, can you please stop? Where is that place? Get out.
Let them. Child, Nage, I dey happy well. At least, Oga get under children. Oga get children outside, even though na home away, e no bad. Oga madam dem special center go know say no be only she get this house. Every time she go dey buga, im mate dey use shoulder dey buga, she dey use yansh dey buga. At least make you know say hey, Oga get representative. I dey happy oh. At least somebody wey go take over this house. E dey. If you see that way day where they enter, the way it is, give me no cause say he like me well. I believe say very soon that boy will give me level for this house.
Well, I'm happy for them. I'm happy for the family. But Chief did not do well at all. Keeping this away from his wife for a very long time. See how beautiful his wife is. Anyway, I'm happy for them.
Even though na home away, nothing bad. At least, as Oga buy so, somebody will go take over this property there. Now, wetin dey important be that one, no be whether I try, no try. Who don't die, don't die. They know they bring dead body for grave, come they judge am. Don't die, don't die. So as it be like this, somebody will go take over this place. At least, with wetin I dey say, that boy very soon go make me manager of this house. I go be P, I go every day carry better of people dey follow am. That time, Maggie, if I report your matter, because no more half chop and one meat or even that thing wey dey perform. If you no reach 3 or 4, if I report you give am, your job go dey shake. Dey shake.
Manager. This residential home, you, manager, have you been to school? What level do you have?
Your problem be say you no understand when they say man no man. Whether I go school or no go school, e no bad. That boy like me well. That day wey he enter, if he do give me no co, come dey tell madam, I beg shift. I come dey say, this guy wey say he like me. So I know say he go do am. No be school. Who school help?
You end up as his bodyguard, not manager.
Nah, at least na something. But Maggie, chai, those Oga children, I too like them, sha. Especially that one wey be like ball. He dey tell madam that day, get out! I want enter my house.
Wow. This is really unbelievable. So how come your mom never knew all this while?
My dear, my dad is very secretive. And the lady, she lives far from us. My daddy never gave us room to suspect him at all.
So the kids are living with you guys now?
Yes. They are living with us. That's my father's last wish, and we have to obey it.
I can imagine how your mom is going to be feeling right now.
My darling, it wasn't easy at all, my mom. It wasn't easy, but she's coping. Because my dad said that the kids are going to live with us at least for 1 year before the will be ready.
Wow. That is really some of those things one has to go through in life, you know.
I know, my darling. How are you? How have you been?
I'm here. I missed you. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the care. I can't wait for all of this to come to pass so we can be happy forever.
And I can't wait for your joy to be complete as well.
I can't wait for the day I'm going to meet your mom.
Sure, you're going to meet my mom, but please, just give her a little time for all this to be over, okay? So you can come. Okay?
I need to tell her she did a very good job.
Please don't make me shy.
Giving birth to an angel like you is just everything.
Oh, you're so sweet. I love you.
I love you more.
I have to go.
I just wish you would never leave.
I know, don't worry, I'll come back soon.
Okay, then walk you to the car.
Alright, darling.
Hey, bro. What's up, bro?
You see why I told you we need to act fast. Very, very fast. And we can't keep waiting for the will that will take forever to come. Did you notice there's an intruder? We need to act right now.
But I told you I'm in love with Mimi.
Fuck love, bro. Fuck love. The idea was for you to make her fall in love with you. And you losing focus at this point is something I won't have. Time is ticking.
Jack, I'm just bored in this house. I've been in this house, I'm not going out. At least let's just go and look around, get to know different places, see different places now.
Now I've thought about that too, but
I know you don't have transport, man. I have. You can go out.
No, we would tell her to pay me.
No, she'll not allow us.
Abby,
we'll just go before they know what's going on. We'll come back. Are we going?
We're going today.
Ojibe, do you think they did what they did intentionally? I see no reason they should throw water from upstairs while taking their bath in the room.
If you be say they no know, Sha, you know say they just come from village. And village now outside things now, they feel say they wash, they will throw away dirty water for outside. Maybe now waiting be their mind where they pour the water. So with waiting at the sea, no be their fault too. Village matter, they body. Now they carry come here so.
To top it all, dirty water they used in washing their clothes. Ha!
I be the reason say it go make sense if Madam them go just calm down. But
wait. Do you know those kids stand a better chance to Oga's properties? Jack is the only son of the family.
Mark, you get sense well. Since when I know you for this house, now today you reason well. You know say, those children no be lie. Now I make madam body they pepper, they vex for them anyhow. Chai. Oh, wow. So they even get right past those girls where they booger for here, they come your jebe this or jebe that, instead there for OJ. I foresee.
Of course, I trust Barrister Charles. He's a man of goodwill. I believe he will see into it. I wish them good life. They deserve it. From what I heard, those kids have suffered a lot. They deserve it.
Hi. No be lie, you show for their body. You show for their body. That day when they come here, you show say they don't, the Sapa don't brainwash them for village. But person will train them for that side try you. Those children, they get good manner, they get good character, and they get good heart. I believe say Oluwa go run out for them very soon. He go don't even run himself. God go run out for them.
Ojebe, I have to go back inside.
I better remember my food though.
You and food.
So, Ojebe, you are right.
Yes, now the cocoa be that one now. Barrister don't supposed to yarn now all these things before now. Because I make una day here. Huh? Now carry una come now.
So we do it like this?
Yes.
I foresee.
You know I've come about this thing before, but I do not believe.
See, Rick, I tell you now. I do it you full time. Anyhow you want, we go run out. Yes, now.
Who's shaking that?
You see, okay. Now I make I dey like when man they talk. You dey talk like man when you be because you stand for grand. See, I take God back to off now. Make una no forget me. See, small time, white baby will begin to come out for here. I no go remain for here forever now. Make una remember me for na paradise. Shine life into my life. Yes, now.
Well, that one later.
Wahala dey for the side. The one take a loss. Troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Now children be this, be adults them be. I tire for them. Jack and Rose, you know they fear at all. No matter your height, they go fight you. And what you don't like you, they go to do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. And what in their mind, they go they like to do. Which kind children be this, yo? Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. The one Jack and Rose, troublesome children. Wahala dey for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Things don't change. They say they want make money. They no one go to school again. They want to enjoy life. Life not talk a sugar. All they want is their father's money. That is money, oh. Libega. That is money, oh.
Okay, then now. I budgeted 10 million. Yes, I budgeted. Please fetch your food. Please don't be angry. Oh, money have no. Oh yes. Okay, depends. Let's just say 20 million. 20 million will be okay for the band. Are you mad?
No, sorry, sir.
Stella.
Ma?
What about that shop that I told you about?
We didn't bring the water. I didn't bring the water.
I don't
That shop
understand.
I
told you I want to rent now. Are you okay? And you didn't bother to buy it? Okay, follow Chagia. Why do I pay you? Oh, they said 5 million for the shop.
So I won't go turn like this now. I will buy from that.
So you buy water for me from somewhere else when I have lots of it at home? Yeah, I want to, add for that woman. Yeah, I want 10,000 naira has been deducted from your salary. I want to buy 10 million. Yes.
You want to deduct my money now?
Excuse me. Will you shut up?
Sorry, sir.
Because don't be angry. And I also want to buy that Bugatti now. The one you showed me on the picture. Bugatti 370. Madam, can you face your front? 50 million.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, it's a small money. Yeah, bring it too. Yeah, I'll transfer 100 million for you now. 100 million. Yeah, make it 150 million. Do you want some?
I want to buy water.
He sells car.
I want water.
My friend. Okay, hello? Yeah, which other one do you have? Okay. Don't worry, I'll give you 150 million. Yeah, 150 million.
Sorry.
Okay. Face your front. If I ever see your face,
Don't mention 150 million.
Yeah, let's go. That is my sister. Yes, she's so rich. Yes. Yeah. And I will see. Alright, let me quickly go somewhere. Alright, no problem.
Can you imagine? What's wrong with this one?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
I don't know for how they're gonna die with talent. Wajai 10 million, not die with talent. Kind of poverty. Poverty mentality. Face your front! Nonsense. Please, can you give me that your friend's number that used to sell foreign cars?
Okay.
You don't have your phone right now.
I think it should be in my bag. Stella! My bag.
No, don't worry. When
I left it in the boot too.
Can you imagine this?
See?
Back here.
Don't worry.
Let me collect it.
When we get home.
Enjoy life will not talk a sugar. All they want is their father's money. Daddy's money, the beggar. Daddy's money, the beggar. Daddy's money, check out those troublesome children. Wahala day for the side. They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper.
I see Jack last week. So, your son, I was trying to...
Hey, point of correction. Jack is not my son.
Sorry, sir. I met him that day crying. I was trying to know what's going on. And he started telling me that he's very hungry. I've not eaten anything since morning. So I don't know what to do. He even complained that you locked his sister in the house, so I don't know what to do. So a little money I have in my pocket, I gave him 1,000 to go and look for what to eat. So that day I was supposed to come and see you, but I traveled the following day to the city. So today I come back, I said let me come and see you, so I will plead on their behalf. You know, children these nowadays, sometimes...
Anyway, Ekene.
Sir?
Don't waste your breath. What am I chewing?
Chewing gum.
Have you seen me chewing chewing gum before?
No, sir.
Okay. That tells you I'm celebrating. So that's why I asked you not to waste your breath. You were in this village. You saw the way they were dealing with me, those little mosquitoes. They dealt with me so they... If not for the fact that they were my sister's children, I would have killed them. In fact, at a point, I was thinking of selling them off.
Sir.
Yes.
Your own children.
But God intervened. That is why I'm celebrating. From nowhere, a man came here, a lawyer, and he said those children actually belong to his client, who is late. You know, and the man happened to be a very rich man. So he came here, bundled them to the city. I'm using the word bundle because it's a celebration for me.
So right now, they're not here right now.
If you look at I was actually sitting here waiting for my wife. The door is locked. I sent her to the market to go and buy, food. We want to celebrate. But I forgot my key inside. That's why I'm sitting here. That's why you met me here.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I'm celebrating. They've gone.
Hey. So which means what the guy say is lying?
He was lying. You don't know them again. Are you not in this village? Look, these children eat morning, afternoon, evening, and in between, they steal my money. They steal the food in the house. Yeah. You see that one that called himself Jack, see like this, with like an overbloated balloon. If he's not eating, can he be as big as that?
If you see that guy crying that day, you was surprised.
My brother, leave that story. My wife is not around. I would have entertained you. Don't worry. Next time when you come, I will entertain you.
Huh? Hello? Chichi? Chichi, wetin I do you now? Since that time when he say make I send you money, after I send that, he just come dey do me, come today, come tomorrow. Na bad thing I do say I send you money. Sometimes you no come even dey carry my call. The thing dey beat my heart. You no know say I go dey miss you. You know say I love you. No be make me even send you money. No dey do me like this abeg. I dey miss you as I even dey. If no be this yeye work. Waiting now.
Oga, open the gate for me. I'm going to the market.
So, waiting come be my business now. Your market and my love call. With your white waist like old layer.
It's none of your business. It's my waist and not yours. Believe me, you will never have a taste of this. You fool.
You go rust now. Not me and you dey this house. You go rust for here. Make I say any day one nonsense boy go knock this gate say they find you. Man no sure say I be CSO. Come and pass. Boy who dey use bicycle, man even you wey dey use leg. Ojebe Jemepe gate. Come and pass. Holy one, Mary. Sapa wetin you don do me? She I go call you. The guy don cook my finish. Enemies of progress don come before. Oh, you know, Nigerian don't go do that for this house. It's not for me. What is it? What is it? Hey! Wow, that's sweet too. Hmm? Hey! This life sweet too. Hmm? Okay, madam. My man! About people. Okay, how is it? Hey! Okay. Hi, this is how would happen?
Thank you very much for everything.
You're welcome.
By the time I'm done with you, you will know what brought you here. I left the whole house for you, and look at what you're doing with these demonic children. Now open the gate for you. Idiot. Nenufa. Ekwesu. What? You dare stop? Are you mad? No, stop again. That punishment will be doubled. Oh my God, you made this idiot. So far, because you don't have sense. If you like, collapse. Children like that will be the ones deceiving you. Instead of you to teach them the right way they should go as an adult, you're joining them to misbehave. Stop! If you don't die today, idiot! Senseless fool! Since you I will not have peace in my own house, none of you will have peace in this house. Stop again. Do it well! Please, Nne. Idiots.
Hey! Salobua, walawo. Hey! Now which kind of job be this one? Ha! Sapa, you don't insult my generation. Just because of small merriment. Birthday, I never do since they born me. Small thing what I do with those children will love me. Now I die, now I won't die put. Hell! See my waist. Salobua lao. Deliver me, oh!
Look at them! You want to come and inconvenience me in my house? Will you go to my bar again? So if you go, I should kill you. I should kill you. I should kill
Says they can't pay. Can't you see the house has been quiet for a while now?
At least they've not been misbehaving since the last time. And it will continue to be this quiet and serene. Because one misconduct, 10 punishment.
Exactly.
Let's see who gets tired first. Me, I am ready to go all the way. What is that?
Mommy, maybe they're like this because I really talked to them and they have listened.
Really?
Yes.
Is this how you're going to raise your own when the time comes? Keep close.
Stop that!
Walk well. I said walk well. Aren't you here? Raise your legs. If you like, march. Just march to this place. What's wrong with you two? Come here. Yes, I called you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
If I slap you, your mouth will just close in 1 minute. Nonsense. The last time we talked about school, you two did not pay any attention to it. So I want us to talk about it now. Holiday is almost gone. I want you two to start making arrangements to go back to school. You cannot be idling away in this house.
Sorry, I don't want to go to school. Yes, school is not our thing.
Rose, Jack. What do you mean you don't want to go to school again? School is not your thing. I don't understand. Okay, fine. If you don't want to go to school, what do you want to do then?
I want to make money. I want to be millionaires. So get plenty money so that Uncle Achebe will know that we can be something and somebody in life. Yes. And I want to be millionaire. In fact, both of us want to be millionaires. So that Uncle Achebe will know that no condition is permanent. Yes. We want to show. Yes. I give me petite, I Julius Bote.
Like this?
Yes.
No, I want to understand how.
Like, you know, have plenty money, plenty cars.
Plenty cars.
Yes.
And who will be driving it? You two. Listen, education is the foundation that will give you the prerequisite to make this money and become the millionaires you are aspiring to be.
Education will not do anything. Lie. School, who school help? School not scam. School no help anybody. You need just go for the go for the near gate. Me, I want to open big shop. I want to be selling cars. My sister here was selling their hair, big shops, everything.
I hope the people will not come to the shop and buy you too. instead of buying the things you put on the shop, and just buy you too and sell it to slave trade.
That's why we are in school and scam.
You spell scam. Can you? You see, look at him. Empty brain. Hey! Why you spell millionaire? Spell it.
Allow them
Please. M-I-T-M. Bet of a feather. It's you know it's in Patakanti body. You're trying to tell me to agree to your proposition.
We both have agreed already.
You both have agreed?
Yes.
Not to go to school?
Yeah, 1 year for that.
Don't break that table. On this table. Somebody's asking. I said don't break it. Come and stand here, stupid boy. Are you afraid of beating?
Congratulations, my dear friend. You now have your visa.
Oh, yes.
Good. You see, this is why we need to act very fast right now and have a whole lot of money. Lot of money that can make us happy. Very happy. And we can live in peace ever after.
Jamal, please, we need to understand it.
What? You wouldn't fuck this up with me, bro. Read my lips. I'm not capping. You were supposed to make that girl fall in love with you. Oh, now you have your visa. So what do I have? Nothing. Chief, her father, messed with me. He took everything away from me. The joy, the happiness, every inch and iota of happiness in me died. He laid me off.
Good afternoon, Chief. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Were you able to meet with Michael?
Yes, sir. I did, and trust me, we had some favorable response. I was going to communicate with you tomorrow at the office.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about it tomorrow at the office.
All right, sir.
Who is she?
Chief. She's my girlfriend now.
And you don't want your girlfriend to greet Chief?
It's not like that. It's not like that. Maybe she doesn't want to. Come and say hi to Chief. Come and greet Chief. Come on. This is my boss.
I'm fine.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Chief, of course, I was coming to tell you that we're about fixing our traditional marriage at the moment from now.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
All right, sir.
No, I take exception to that. A man will always be the head of the family. For the fact that you make more money than him does not justify that you have to be above him. You are there to compliment him, not compete with him. Please.
Okay, in Eniola's voice, as long as I make more money than him, he is nothing but just a normal spam donor, period. I mean, I can't work my ass off and he will have the credit of being head of the house. Please, head of the house, my foot.
That is why the divorce rate is very, very high. Couples killing themselves for no reason. Imagine even young ladies killing their spouse, all in the name of it's my rights. I beg make una leave matter for Matthias, Jerry. Eh? You see, everybody don't turn rebel for this country. Feminism crickets everywhere. I beg please let's just leave that matter because Hello, Chief darling. Hey, Chief, I'm fine, no. Hey, this is what you call me, but it's just a sweet meal. I have missed. Excuse me. I'll be right back. I have missed you so much. Chief, for this is when you call your girl like this. Hey.
That's why she's not married. Please don't go there near her. Just because you're married does not mean that every single lady is a whore. Yes. And I know you've not actually forgiven her. But you're lucky she wasn't here when you said this. If not, should have beaten you. Eh?
I'm right here for you. Chief. How do you want it? What?
I'll buy you a car.
A car for me? Yeah. Oh my gosh, come on.
Yeah, Chief.
Oma.
What were you doing with Chief?
Nothing. It's nothing. I can actually explain.
Okay.
You need to calm down.
All right, explain.
Okay, it's the other day. Jamal,
you don't know what to say.
Your spirit is high. You need to calm
Oma,
down.
I don't ever want to see you near me or anywhere around my house.
Jamal, what
now,
are you saying?
Get out! Get out! I don't want to touch you. Get out of my house. Get out! I'm talking to you. I don't want to lay my hands on you. Get out! Get out! Come on, get out!
Jamal!
I don't ever want to see you here. Okay?
Jamal, what are you doing?
Stupid entity.
Happiness. Everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today. Think about tomorrow.
Wait. Are you telling me the truth? Okay, he lay his filthy hands on you because of what happened.
Chief, he dealt with me. He did not have mercy on me. He beat me up. He threw me out. It was even people passing on the road that helped me stand up. You need to save me, Chief. He scattered all of my things. I don't even know where I'm standing, Chief. I don't know. I'm just standing around.
I will soon drive out and I'll come and see you. I will take you, we'll go to somewhere and settle all this. I will handle it. He's a small boy, eh? Okay? Okay, just calm down, eh? Calm down, please. Just calm down. Good. Good. All right. Yeah. Okay. In the next few minutes, I will be with you.
Okay. Chief, he dealt with me. Okay, I'm not crying. No, I'm not crying. Okay. Okay, I'll just stay somewhere and wait for you.
Okay. Talk to you later. Bye for now. All right. This little boy. So this boy is not challenging me. I will teach him a lesson. My good friend, you are always funny. But I told you I will make a trip to Dubai, a business trip. Yes, I did. I remember discussing this with you now the last time we met at that club. Yeah. Honestly, what is funny about this? What is funny?
Chief. It's not 100%.
Hey! Oh, no, don't tell me I did not tell you. I told you. Yes. Yes, I did. Yeah, what about that babe? Yeah, will I be lying to you? You know you're my best friend. There's not, no. My trip, by next tomorrow. Chief, by next tomorrow. Chief. Yeah. All right, I will call you back. I will talk to you later.
Chief, this is a sack letter, sir.
Whose name is there?
My name, sir.
So what do you want to know? You are sacked.
No, now, Chief. No, now, Chief.
Leave this place. Leave my office.
I served Chief for 5 years. 5 freaking years! What did I get in return? Nothing! Nothing! Not even a penny. May I remind you, I lost my mom. I lost my mom in the process. I went to Chief. I begged, but instead I was bullied out of his office with his security. And you're here telling me to take it easy! If you do anything stupid, I'll fucking fuck you up!
Jamal, you don't need this, please. This is a gun. Just bring down your hand. I was going to tell you.
Oh, come on! Ray, you were supposed to act according to my instructions. The deal was for you to make her fall in love with you. But instead, you fell in love with Mimi. Now you have your visa. So what do I have to show for it? Nothing!
You don't need this. Honestly, you don't need this. You can't be doing this, okay? I understand your pain. I sincerely do, but...
Raymond.
hope the AC is active.
Very.
You have to just manage.
No, very. I'm comfortable, don't worry.
Okay.
So, where are you taking me to?
Just we go around, then drive around, sightsee, then.
Is that the surprise?
No, not only that, but I won't
Okay.
tell you. You know, if I tell you, it's,
It's no longer a surprise. I understand. I'm so excited.
Wow.
I like this area, this particular place.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you people's side is more peaceful now.
It's more peaceful, but I love this. I love this in particular. Maybe
because of the trees.
Yes, maybe you take me there.
Okay, it's okay.
Today?
If you want.
Oh, thank
Anywhere you want. Anywhere you want, baby.
Thank you.
Anything to make my baby happy.
Oh, please don't make me shy.
Oh, the idea is for me to impress here. So I'm definitely going to impress my baby.
Oh. Please, let's go already. I can't wait. My phone is fully charged.
Okay,
I need to snap
pictures and make videos. I get it.
I need pictures. I need pictures.
We're almost there. Oh,
but this place is beautiful. I love it.
not like you people's side. Hello.
Yeah, but that place, you know, now our side is too calm. But I like this place. A kind of, you look at, you see things like, you see where they sell all these sweets, all these local things. You can come out and buy things or just on the road, but ours you have to get to the supermarket to buy all
I
these
get
things.
it.
It's so exhausting.
Mall and stuff.
It's so exhausting.
I get it. Yes, here you have Malam and all these people.
Yes, exactly. You get my point now. You can just buy things there. Maybe while coming back, there's this sweet that I love, all this local sweet. You buy one for me.
Is it Tamfili?
So it's Tamfili. I don't want to punch.
Oh, Baba Juju.
Anyone at all. Which one is Tamfili again?
Sorry, my staring is.
Oh, sorry, no, sorry. Don't worry, we're going to fix it.
Yes,
We're going to fix it. Take it easy, okay? We'll fix it, okay?
It's okay.
We're almost there, right?
Yes, just around the trees there.
Okay.
It's already looking like a garden, right?
Yes. So fine. Very beautiful. Yes. My phone. Where's my phone?
I go from here? What happened?
Madam, what were you saying?
Barrister, Mimi has been kidnapped. What? Yes. And the kidnappers are demanding for a ransom of 100 million.
Oh my goodness. Have you called the police?
Yes, Yemi just left. And we have given him everything he may need.
Okay.
Yes.
Who would have done this to Mimi? She's harmless.
Barrister, let them not hurt my daughter. I'm of the opinion we should give them the 100 million immediately.
Yes. Immediately, madam. Let's see what police is going to come up with at the end of the day. Please, nothing is going to happen to her. Please.
Kidnap
just
one
take
no.
it easy.
No, kidnap one no. Hey! Do you know they might be raping her now?
Oh, no, madam, no.
They know they like peace, yo. They not be preacher of love, oh. They like trouble, so don't try them, they go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They not be preacher of love, oh. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They not be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them, they go show you pepper. Children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you.
Where be Jackson Street? Hi!
Oh, now let's just looking now. Let's be
looking now. These people know this. Auntie, please, do you know where is Jackson Street?
Please be with this
They
signboard.
don't know. Now, where did you see signboard here? See these people that is living in the city, they don't even know Jackson Street. But I'm saying no be my village.
Oh.
Let's just
making
go
me
and
regret
regret
this thing now.
And I mean, if I'm regretting it, why won't you regret it?
Let me pass it so we meet.
Where do you know that we meet? We cross over here, whatever. To even be what? My phone side and the food. Let's just be going straight. Anywhere we come out, we know that we came out good. Because I don't even like to come. We have lost our way. It's not good now.
We don't know where I'm going to.
These are these people inside.
Huh?
These are these people inside.
Hey, see, this one is Dennis clothes. This place is not Jackson at all. It's not Jackson at all.
Sabina, you say no follow this.
Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo, they go fight you. Now what you know like you, they go they do to you. If you like you vex, if you like you rejoice. Now what in them?
She's wrong. She's not serious.
Please get him.
Airport with what? What can you do? I got to see gun in their hand. Let's run. Eh? Let's run.
Officer,
I want to tell you something.
Yes.
What is it you want to tell me?
Happiness, everybody needs happiness. Family needs to be together in unity, harmony. Think love. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Decisions you made in anger, gladness can affect you tomorrow. Always remember you are in charge of your emotions. Keep it in check. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Oh, this is painful. Oh, yes, I know. This may fall apart when you don't expect it. Sometimes keeping secret from the ones you love can spoil. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear. Be careful today, think about tomorrow. Hello, my dear.
We must be grateful to those two young geniuses, Jack and Rose. They made it easy for us to nab those kidnappers without stress.
That bastard, Raymond, after everything Mimi did for him.
His friend Jamal confessed his reasons for his actions. Even at that, crime is never a solution.
Oh my God. Inspector, thank you very much. I cannot fail to appreciate you. You've done so well. How about my genius? My children? Jack? Rose? Huh? Please come.
Troublesome children, wahala dey for the side. The only one take am loose. Troublesome children, wahala dey for the side. The only one. They know they like peace, yo. They know be preacher of love. They like trouble, so don't try them. They go show you pepper. You go tire for them, oh. They know be preacher of love. Which kind children be this, yo? Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Jack and Rose, yo. They know be preacher of love. Nobody their matter at all. Don't try them. They go show you pepper. Na children be this, be na adults them be. I tire for them, oh, oh, oh. Jack and Rose, no they fear at all. No matter your height, yo,